Right now, let me show you how we can insert emojis on your Mac computer, whether it's MacBook, iMac, or anything else. What you need to do is to actually get to these settings like this, which is the system settings. And from the options, scroll below and find the keyboard section. So for me, it is right in here. So I click on a keyboard like that. And you need to pay attention to the press the globe key to do certain action. And for me, it says change input source, which means switching between the different languages. But you can decide that it's going to be show emojis and symbols. So what you're going to do is decide that pressing the globe key, the physical one on your actual keyboard, which is in the bottom left corner, is going to show you the emojis and symbols. And now if I, for example, get to the notes, I can simply click the globe and emojis are going to appear on the screen. So that's how you can make that work. And if that doesn't really seem to be working, there is a dedicated shortcut which is going to trigger the emoji panel every time. And it is when you press the Control, Command, and a space bar at the same time, you're going to get to the emojis as well. So just keep that in mind. That's again when you type in the Control plus Command plus spacebar. So if you do this, you will essentially wake up or get to the emojis panel just like I did in here. So this is actually very useful to get that working. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your specific Mac. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads and similar tutorials like this one.